哇，咁快啊你 ！Thank you, Daddy. Hi, we have matching backpacks.
Ingredients, if you could teach us how to cook it.
Sure.
We can do it together. And then you can vlog it.
Hello. So we just got our breakfast. Yeah, so we just got our breakfast and we're sitting in the lounge right now. Gonna eat this and then we're gonna board. Finally.
Took an hour to get our bags.
I know, oh my god. And then now it's like 2 hours. We're gonna stop by and try to get an acai bowl first.
So yeah, we recommend not checking in your luggage.
Yeah, no. We waited, yeah, literally an hour.
We waited an hour and 15 minutes. So just like get carry on.
So we're getting acai bowls at a place called Nungnung Waterfalls. I love the Christmas lights.
So cute.
Coming, I guess. Yum! So we got a banana peanut butter one, an acai one, and then a dragon fruit. Can you taste dragon fruit though?
Maybe you're having acai.
So
No, I'm having the acai.
it's like the base is dragon fruit.
Oh no, Nikki. I'll swap you with you in a bit.
It's okay. You can have it. So acai is like
It's gotten really dark. Acai is a type of berry. Nicholas.
You guys look like a couple. I'm just like third wheeling. So we just got to the room. Steph will take you around.
This is Nicholas's bed where he's going to be eaten by mosquitoes.
Yes.
He doesn't have our beautiful net.
We have this. It's like a mosquito net and yeah. So cute. They wrote "Have a sweet dream." And then the bathroom area is really open. There's like bath, outdoor shower, and then the toilet.
Everything looks so good. Like the fish.
Oh, I see tofu, crackers, huge coconut. It's like the size of our face. We ordered gado gado salad and pork satay. Oh my god. It looks really good.
It looks so good.
Premiumbeat.com.
It's the next morning. We're just walking to breakfast now. We kind of have a tight schedule today, so we are going to the Bali Swings, the rice paddies, the waterfall, and what am I missing?
The gate.
Yeah, the nice gates. So we're gonna try to do all that today so we can free up some time for brunches tomorrow. But yeah, I'll show you guys breakfast later. Oh my god, it's fogging up. Salad, charcoal toast with peanut butter, some corn, and this sweet porridge, and then we just ordered some eggs. They already started eating.
You hungry, huh?
Yay, it looks good. Omelette, fruit, so much food. Half eaten too. They harvested the rice paddies, but it used to be all green. And now we're heading to the Bali Swings. Oh my god. There. You just swing out.
It's really scary. That's the couple one, man.
Oh, that's the couple one.
Or whatever.
Can I go behind you?
I'm just gonna watch the
Okay, 3, 2, 1, and
Whoa!
Is it scary?
Okay, go.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, and go! What? One more! You're like upside down! Okay.
How was it? Did you die?
No, but I'm shaking.
See guys, it's doable. She's scared of the pirate ship, so if she can do it, you could do it.
I don't know how I feel about this.
Steph! Are you scared?
Feels slippery.
I'm just flashing to the whole world right now. There's no one underneath, right?
no.
These are all handmade. So nice. The plates are really pretty.
Good choice.
Different menus. They have vegetarian, gluten-free, nut-free.
No, it's like balls.
Cheers, guys! Yum! Our starters are here. We got rice paper rolls and is that pork belly with some cracker thing. Time to Instagram. Look at curry.
Oh, it's so nice.
Noodles.
Try the food.
Bali food is really oily and it's really salty, but it's good. Yeah, you want to swim? Hey, are you ready for this hike? I think we're halfway done.
You think we're halfway done?
Are we close? Oh, this part is steep. There's still more. It's like a double black. Yeah. Oh my god, this is probably like black already. This is quite steep if you imagine it on a ski slope. Yeah. Ooh.
I'm a little concerned.
Oh my god.
I wouldn't be vomiting.
Okay, this one is scary. I'm not gonna film. I'm gonna fall. Hearing this one. There's more. We have to go up. Where is that one? No, why are we going to where it flows downwards? Okay, Google this. Something. Ooh, how do we get down there? Western food. I've been craving this.
You do Thai green curry bowl.
Yum. Some greens. They have kale. A lot of options.
Oh, so good.
Yeah? Got chocolate one. Yes.
It's connected to my face.
I can taste that the banana's a bit green. Because I make so many smoothies, I know. Have a salad with sweet potato, leaves, beetroot, tomatoes, avocado, quinoa, and sprinkled with spirulina as well. And then there's like a miso ginger dressing. Should be good. Moringa, energy ball, and warm apple pie. Mmm. How's it?
Real flaky. Nice.
Who are you, Gordon Ramsay?
It's fucking raw!